Mailchimp Automation Journey tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can get started with building your own automation journeys in Mailchimp. Now, it's really easy to get started with Mailchimp and it saves you a lot of time when you're trying to expand and scale your business. So let's jump right in. To get started, you're going to have to sign up to Mailchimp and you can sign up completely for free. Now, Mailchimp does have different paid plans as well, but if you want, you can get started completely for free using their free plan. And we're just going to click on sign up over here on their free plan so that we can get started. And I'm just going to be entering my email address over here that I want to be using. And after that, you enter a username and a password, or you can just proceed with Google and select the relevant Google account that you want to be using to create your Mailchimp account. So once you do that, your account will be created and you can move forward into Mailchimp. Now, automation sequences or automation journeys are basically going to be a set of default steps that Mailchimp is going to take within a certain campaign. What this does is that, let's say I have all of my customers. I don't have a lot of customer data for segmentation, and I want to build a sequence which allows me to send multiple different discount codes and promos to people that keep opening up my mail, whereas I want to lay off or stop sending within that particular promotional period or that particular promotional campaign. So I can easily do that with the help of a campaign that is built with those kinds of automations. So I'm just going to be adding all of my information over here, just like so. And we're just going to be answering some of their basic sign-up questions. You can skip their sign-up questions as well, so I'm just going to be skipping some of the other questions. If you already do have your website, however, I do recommend that you guys should be connecting that. Once you do that, you're just going to proceed and continue with your free account. Once you do that, within a few seconds, your account will be created and you will be led to your Mailchimp dashboard. And once you have been led to your Mailchimp dashboard, you're just going to sign on in. And this is what your dashboard is going to look like. So on the left, you have your campaigns and automations, and we're going to click on automations because we want to focus on those today. Now, there are some templates that are already available. If you click on flow templates, you will see there are several different templates. I'll show you guys a couple of examples. So starting off with a welcome new contact, where it basically is a very simple campaign. Whenever a contact signs up for our emails, we send a welcome email and that is it. The contact exits this particular campaign. Then I'll show you guys a bit more of a complicated one where, for example, whenever target contacts who search a specific term in your Shopify store. Contact performs search in Shopify store. Then we send out an email. Did you find what you were looking for? And this just gives people that boost that whenever they are purchasing a product, they're like, oh yeah, I was looking at that. Should I be purchasing it? Oh, maybe I should. Or maybe it makes them check out the item again. Now, then we have things like this where we can send out abandoned cart recoveries. So whenever a contact abandons a cart, we send an email that says we saved your cart for you. Then we have a 3-day delay. If the conditions of purchasing the product are met, then the contact exits our email list. However, if they are not met, then we have a 3-day delay, and then you send them a 10% discount off of their cart. And this just incentivizes them to purchase items. So on and so forth, you can proceed. Now, you have several different pre-built flows and automations already built out, but if you want to build your own, you can do that as well. To do so, just go into automations over here, and once you do, click on build from scratch. Once you click on build from scratch, you're going to name your flow. Let's say this is going to be our summer sale flow, and then I'm going to choose a trigger. Now, the trigger is going to be the first step that basically starts this automation. So this can be very specific. It can be a birthday, whenever someone signs up for your emailing list, whenever a tag is added, when they buy a specific product, abandon their cart, send out an email. Then you have contact activity. So this could be manual add, a text to keyword, signs up for SMS, joins a certain audience group, leaves an audience group, audience field changes. Then we have special events, shopping and activity. So this much time has passed since their last purchase, or they buy a specific product, or they abandoned cart with a specific product whenever a product added to their cart drops in value. So we have a bunch of different options. Then we have marketing and API. So based upon the number of emails they're opening, based upon the number of emails they're not opening, we can send them out as well. Now for me, I want to build a simple welcome campaign. So I'm going to choose the welcome trigger whenever a contact signs up to Spencer. Then I'm going to add my secondary step. So I can add a delay or something, but I'm just going to send out an email. That's going to be my first step. Whenever I'm going to build this email later. So this is my automation right now. It's very basic. Whenever a contact is added to Spencer, then we send out an email. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to build my second step. I don't want to only send them out an email. Let's say I want to maybe wait a few days. I'm going to add another step, which is going to be a delay, and it is going to be a 3-day delay because I know frequently when customers first subscribe, they don't purchase products right away. And then after that, I want to send out another email, or I can split the path as well. So if/else, and I can choose the condition that I want it to meet. That could be that if their email engagement, so I can is often, then I'm going to use this segmentation, which means that if they opened up my first email, then I can send them a second email over here, or if they don't, then the contact just exits. So within my second email, I can proceed with a discount or offer them some type of incentive to purchase my product. And that is how you can build your own customized automation journeys. Now, within this, I have just specified the condition of email engagement is often. If I want, I can go into this and we can click on edit to change our if then conditions. So you can add multiple different segmentations as well. Let's say that I have a email interaction, opened an email, any campaign sent within the last 7 days. So this basically filters out the email that I previously sent, which basically means that if they have opened up my email in the last 7 days, then I send them out another email. But if they haven't, then the contact just exits my particular automation sequence and they don't receive another promotional email, which offers another discount. And once done, I just start building my emails for this particular automation. So I can click on create an email and start building out my email using Mailchimp's simple drag and drop based web editor, web email builder. And it's really simple to use. So that's really something that is intuitively going to be easy. Now, if you're looking to get started, it is recommended to upgrade to their essentials because it allows you to build 4-step flows. You also have 24/7 support with over 500 contacts that you can send out to. Their standard is their best value, with $20 per month for 500 contacts, as well as reporting and analytics, and you can create flows or automations that are upwards of 200 steps. And then their premium is at $350 per month for 10,000 contacts. Now, as the number of emails increases, your pricing is going to vary as well, so do keep that in mind whenever you're opting for Mailchimp. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.